Alright guys, it's the new year on the R7. Let's go. Honestly, filled up the tank. I'm surprised at how small this tank is. I was almost empty and it filled up for $13 Canadian on 91 octane. It's really well. It was amazing on how much gas, how good this thing is on gas. Well, I don't know how good yet. I've only been using it around town a little bit, and now I'm doing a longer commute right now with the family. So overall, it's nice. To be honest, it's really nice. Foot positioning is still something I'm working on. My legs are tired. I was just on a hike for the last hour, so my legs are tired. Can't shift properly. Alright, so I was recording at the gas station. I didn't record with a mic, but I was recording how much it cost to fill up. Had about a bit around a quarter or a bit less than a quarter tank. I'll post that stuff up right here for you guys to see. And it cost me about 11 bucks Canadian for 91 octane to have a full tank. And honestly, that seems good. I don't know how much gas it burns. I still need to find out, but for 11 bucks for a full tank, getting me through 2 days a week to work, maybe like another tank for the weekend, it's more than enough, guys. So honestly, for this quick video, I just want to show you guys how much it takes to fill up the tank on this. It's honestly not that much. It's really good. Long term, I don't know yet. We'll find out. But it cost me 11 bucks to fill it up. I've been riding it for about a week. Put about 45-50 kilometers, maybe more. I'm not sure. I think I put much more than that, but I'm not quite sure right now. But yeah, that's a beauty. So I'm gonna end that video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button. I know it was real short, but it is what it is. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. We're gonna be making a ton more on the Yamaha R7. It's a 2022 Yamaha R7 in their royal purple or blue or whatever color it's called. I don't know it. I need to Google that. The exhaust, I love it. So yeah, again, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next video. Alright, see ya.